here's my finished page. I primarily used my tacky glue from Scotch, my ATG gun. I used my T-square ruler a lot to make sure all of these things were aligned. I used the low profile adhesives from Scrapbook Adhesives. I really like these because they don't bring a lot of dimension, but just enough to create a shadow. So I popped each of these up and then left and glued the top portion so it kind of looks like it's in the wind. I made sure to glue down these alphabets because they're old and I don't think they would stay very well. Popped this up, popped that up, and then I was done. It was really a quick page thanks to the Simple Stories page pieces. I ended up using the back of this to get that off-white color that is so prominent in the Simple Stories lines. This off-white color just isn't, it's not the quite bright white. It's not quite there, but it's in between enough that it kind of pulls everything together when that is used as the border around my photo. So again, I used a Page Maps May 2021 sketch to inspire my sketch for today. If you guys have any further questions, are there any... I have a question for you, actually, if you wouldn't mind. Are there any collections that you were like, man, I wish I had bought that when I saw it the first time? You know, I had a gut feeling I wouldn't really use this, but I have a little boy. Why wouldn't I use it? So, shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's all right. I know Cherry on Top had pretty much every single paper on sale. So I may go take a look at their clearance again. But again, 2022 is my year of no spending on paper. So I'll be investing more in dies and stamps. And I think ephemera doesn't count as paper for me. Ephemera is nice to have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a wonderful new year.